Scientific study of Rig Veda, class 52. We are now going through Mandal-1 and the Sooktha-23. We have already seen Mandras 1 to 50 in Sooktha-23. Today we are going through Sooktha 16 to Mandra 16 to 24. Here the Devada is water gel. Water means that is liquid. As per Veda, earth is solid, water is liquid, gas, and heat is energy. That is all. Everything is classified as solid, liquid, gas, and energy. In Veda, it is earth, gel, water, and gas, and Agni, heat. So here gel means all the things that is like water. That is, it is liquid. Gel means like water, that is liquid. Now let us go through the mantras one by one. Now let us go through the 16th mantra.
RIGVEDA Mandalam 1 Sooktham 23-16 Ambayo Yendya Adhuvir Jamayo Adhvariyatam Princhadir Madhuna Payaha.
It tells gel is one of the important precious thing, or the most important thing that those who does any work. To do work, the first thing we require is water. So it shows the importance of water. It produces milk in cow. Without water, milk also contains, most part of the milk is water. So to produce milk in cow, water is required. So it is flowing through all the eknas or all the activities. So it acts as a medium in all our activities. If we want to stitch anything, we should first wash our hand. Then only we will stitch. Otherwise, if there is any dirt, that will stick on the cloth. So water is very important. Or even typing something, at intervals you will drink water. So in all the eknas, it acts as a medium. Now let us go through the 17th mantra.
RIGVEDA Mandala 1 Sooktham 23-17 Amurya Upasurye Yavirva Surya Saha Tano Hinvandatwaram.
This water is in relation with the sun, and it is moving along with the sun. That it moves along with the sun means if there is sun, the water, it gets water in the pond or anything like that, gets heated and it evaporates and goes there. And when it reaches, the sun reaches at another place, that is at another season, the water falls. So water is in good relation with the sun. It is moving along with the sun. When sun is at one place, water gets evaporates. And at another place, it comes back as rain. Likewise. Now, let us go through the 18th mantra.
RIGVEDA Mandala 1 Sooktham 23-18 Apo Devi Rupa Hoye Yatra Gavapi Bandina Sindhupya Kartram Havihi.
we like to give water to the cow because cow drinks water. We are giving water to the cow. Why? Because then only it can produce milk. So we are giving water to the cow at regular intervals because water is essential for all living beings. Even plants also require water. Then only it will give milk. So we love to give water to the cows, and we should praise this water, flowing water. That water the Sooktha in 18, Mantra in 18 says. Now let us go through the 19th mantra.
ഋഗ്വേദം മണ്ഡലം 1 സൂക്തം 23-19. അപ്സ്വന്തരാമൃതം അപ്സു ഭേഷജം അപാമുദ പ്രശസ്തയേ ദേവാഭവത വാജിനഃ.
It says, Amrut is there in water. That means it is nectar. Nectar is also in liquid form. So it is gel, water. As per Veda, water is liquid. Water-like substance. As per Veda, there are Panchabhutas, out of which one is water, solid, liquid, gas and energy. So solid is earth, liquid is, the water is liquid. So water here, water means, gel means it is liquid. So nectar, water is nectar. At the same time, there is medicine in water. Water itself acts as a medicine. If we are tired, instead of giving medicine, we can give water. We will get energy. Sugar is not required. Sugar is required if the level goes down. But if they are tired, instead of giving glucose, take water. So it also acts as a medicine. And medicine also is in the most of the medicines are liquid form. So that also is in liquid form. That liquid is representing the water. So this water is precious and we praise it. So it tells the importance of this liquid and water. Now let us go through the 20th mantra.
ഋഗ്വേദം മണ്ഡലം 1 സൂക്തം 23-20. അപ്സു മേ സോമോ അബ്രവീത് അന്തർവിശ്വാനി ഭേഷജ അഗ്നിം ച വിശ്വശംഭുവം ആപശ്ച വിശ്വഭേഷജീ.
It says that both the Soman means moon. Moon is related with the water. It is the god of water. Now, both the Soman and Agni says, water is the principle of medicine is related with water. This water itself acts as a medicine. For example, if we are tired, instead of taking glucose or anything, first we are giving water. It does not contain any carbohydrate or anything like that. It is pure H2O. At the same time, it is very effective as a medicine. If we are unconscious, we are pouring water on, spraying water on our face. So it is acting as a precious medicine. Even if we are taking, most of the liquids medicines are in liquid form. Liquid form means it is water as per Veda, one of the Panchabhutas. At the same time, if we are taking medicine in solid form, in tablet form, we should take water along with other. Then only it will act quickly, and certain cases this medicine may become dangerous to our kidney or anything, intestine or anything like that if we will not take water. So in all such cases, this water is the principle of medicine is related with this water and Agni. Agni means to get energy. Agni is giving energy. To get energy, we can take water. It will give energy. So energy is there in water. Now, let us go to the 21st mantra.
ഋഗ്വേദ മണ്ഡലം 1 സൂക്തം 23-21 ആപപ്രണീത ഭേഷജം വരൂത തന്വേ മമ ജോക്ച സൂര്യം ദൃശേ.
It says that to live for a long period, to improve longevity, so as to see the sun, several suns, so several sunrises. It tells water to stay in our body because water plays an important role in our body function. Our body itself is, most part of the body is water. So water should be there, sufficient water should be there in our body. If the water level goes, our longevity will become less. We cannot see the rising sun for several times. So science is there. Based on this mantra, water is an essential thing for life, for our to live. We should there should be water, sufficient water in our body. Now let us go through the 22nd mantra.
ഋഗ്വേദം മണ്ഡലം 1 സൂക്തം 23-22 ഇദം ആപ പ്രവഹത യത് കിം ച ദുരിതം മയി യദ്വാഹം അഭി ദുദ്രോഹ യദ്വാശേപ ഉദാനൃതം.
It tells water to remove our sin. Sin means what all these sufferings we are facing, all types of ailments, everything we are suffering in different ways due to several things. By taking water, it will give energy, one thing. At the same time, if there is some ailments, it will clean our water, and that dirts are going out through water. If anything goes inside our eye, it will flush it out. Likewise, we are sneezing, we are vomiting. Along with the water, the dirts are going out. Our cleaning inside the body also is taking place due to this water. It is sweating. That is water. That is controlling the temperature of our body. So likewise, water helps to remove our sins. Sin means, due to this sin, there is a belief that all such bad things are happening in our life. It also keeps us calm. It helps us to keep us calm, and it helps us in several ways. That is what it says. Now let us go through the 23rd mantra.
ഋഗ്വേദം മണ്ഡലം 1 സൂക്തം 23-23 ആപോ അദ്യാന്വചാരിഷം രസേന സമഗസ്മഹി പയസ്വാനഗ്ന ആഗഹി തമ്മ സംസൃജ വർച്ചസ.
It tells we got water as our friend. This water is a very one of the best companion in our life because that acts in our body as a chemical substance. All the chemical changes in our body are taking place due to the presence of this water, that is taking place in liquid form. It tells Agni to come along with the water. Agni also is there in water. That is why Agni means energy. When we are tired, when we take water, we are getting energy. So Agni is also coming along with the water. Actually, in water there is no energy. It is H2O. Energy is from carbohydrate or anything like that. But along with the water, Agni is also is coming to help us. So it tells Agni to come along with us to protect us and also to make us bright. Bright means energetic. Our face will shine if we take a sufficient water. Water is required to wash our face, and if you take a sufficient water, the body will clean. The cleaning will take place inside our body, and the blood will get purified, and our face will become also shine. So water is acting in several ways. Now let us go. So it is a very good one of the important devatas in Vedas, water or liquid. Now let us go to the last mantra, 24th mantra.
ഋഗ്വേദം മണ്ഡലം 1 സൂക്തം 23-24 സമ്മാഗ്നേ വർച്ചസാ സൃജസം പ്രജയാ സമായുഷാ വിദ്യുർമേ അസ്യ ദേവാ ഇന്ദ്രോ വിദ്യാത് സഹ ഋഷിഭിഃ.
Here the devata is not water, here the devata is Agni. He tells Agni to make us energetic with sufficient strength to get sufficient to improve our longevity, to give us children. So if we are healthy, then only we will get children. Energy is taking a great part in all the activities. In the combination of sperm and egg, some chemical reactions are taking place, and all the chemical reactions are taking place at a specified temperature or at a sufficient energy. At sufficient energy, it should get sufficient energy. Then only each chemical reaction will take place. All chemical reactions are related with taking place at a particular temperature, and if it gets sufficient energy also. So every activity, every our activity that take place inside our body also is related with the Agni. It also tells all the devatas. All the devatas means all the thing that is in the universe. That is, water is devata, Agni is devata. So it is a general statement. It invites all the devatas. For example, water is devata, Agni is devata, and it also invites all the Rishi-ganas. Rishi-ganas means all the rishis. Rishis means those who wrote these Vedic science. So we are doing all the things based on science. All the things that is taking place inside our body is also based on certain science principles. The science principles are explained in Vedas. These Vedas are written by rishis. So these rishis are helping us to acquire certain knowledges, and by using such knowledges, we can get prosperity in our life or also to improve our health, we require knowledge. It also invites Indra too, because to do any activity, Indra is the coordinator. So this mantra is not only related with water, it is related with Indra, Agni, it invites all the devatas to come in our action to help us in our activity. All the activities that we are doing externally and all the activities that are taking place inside our body without our knowledge. But at the same time, if we study through these Vedic sciences, we can also understand what are the things that is taking place inside our body also.